Hey guys, well, we welcome you back to our solar gazebo. Um, Today we're going to talk about something that's a little different. So, as you probably seen if you've been following the channel, um, my dad and I do a lot of construction work together, and we have our design differences. Because different style. I mean, my dad studied chemistry, and I did civil, so. Yeah, so we don't always see things eye to eye, but in this case, I really want to kind of just highlight something that I was very impressed with. So, in the process of working on solar panels up top, we needed a way to access the roof of the pergola. You know, either through a ladder or some method of getting up there. But the problem is we have a little overhang right here, so we can't really put a ladder here. And my dad created this thing out of it's pretty these are 1x6s, so these are pretty flimsy by themselves. But my dad created like a cup shelving system, and it's actually pretty strong. So I'm able to get up there with a lot of material and stomp on it, almost like a what do you call it? Like a scaffolding. And it's a pretty clever design, and I figure I'd take a couple minutes to highlight it. So it's hinged here in the middle of this 6x6 post, and the terminus, is horizontal with the structure. And how it's supported, it's just held up with a piece of 2x4 as a strut to serve as like a triangular base to transfer the forces. And I was so impressed with this design that I figure I make a short video about it. So, if ever you run into issues accessing the roof and you have a very strong stem wall or uh, post, this is one method that you could probably look into. So, how this works is there's a piece of 1x6 on this side and another on this side, and it forms like a box. And out on the far end, it's enclosed, so that way, the strut can butt up against something. And the top is a piece of, is it a, it's also a 1x6, I believe. But anyway, so yeah, I'll try to find the chicken scratch for this design and post it. All right, just wanted to show this off, and hopefully it'll help someone out there. All right, thanks.